Today we're going to show you the SCT GTX. The SCT GTX is SCT's newest hardware. I really like this device. This device is a programmer and a monitoring device as well. 5-inch screen on this. It's just really cool. So let's crack it open and show you what we've got here. So first you get the device itself. Again, it's a 5-inch touchscreen unit, super thin, very nice. Inside of the box, you are going to also receive your instruction packet that comes with this. This has got quick start guides in it too for you guys that don't like to necessarily read the instructions all the way through. Full color pictures in there as well. If you don't like to read, they've got real good pictures. It shows you what to do just by the pictures. The mounting of the device itself to the vehicle interface, there's a cord that goes to the vehicle interface. You can see that here. Now, this is magnetic, so when it gets close to the device, you can see, and I'll pull it off there, clips right in, powers up the device. Now, this goes to the vehicle interface module, which is in the box as well. Then the OBD2 plug-in to the vehicle interface module. Very nice. You get out of your truck, you want to take this with you. All you do is you don't have to push any buttons. You just simply pull it away, put it in your pocket, throw it in your briefcase, and take it with you. You don't have to worry about anybody stealing it. That's a really cool feature. Also with this, you get the little mounting suction cup tower that comes with them as well. So hey, let's fire this thing up so show you some functionality of the SCT GTX. All right, so again, I'm going to say it one more time. Super big 5-inch screen on this SCT device. We'll let this power up. This is all cloud-based tuning. This device is Wi-Fi enabled as well, so you find a good hotspot. You can do all of your updates through there, pull the tunes off the cloud. Very nice, very cutting edge, which is most things are going to cloud-based tuning now. So I'm going to fire up the demo mode here. So you touch the gear, I can go down the demo mode, and this is just for this video's purpose. I'm going to click OK on it. Let's show you the diagnostic screen first. So the device will read and clear diagnostic codes. So we'll do a read DTC on this. Hit continue on it, and it'll pull up the DTCs on the vehicle. Platform for this, I want to mention that right now this is only for the newer Ford Powerstrokes and the newer Dodge Cummins. They're going to be adding more platforms every day. So now we're back to the codes now. You can touch the codes, get the long description of the code. When you want to clear them, you can hit clear DTCs, and it'll walk you through that as well. Let's go to exit that screen. Now you can get your updates from this screen as well. Information on the device, diagnostics we showed you, functions, and then you can tune from the screen. Let's go to gauges. Show you some of the gauges. This is for the 4s. We'll put them in an imperial here. Look at the gauges, all in real time there. Really cool stuff. You want to change a PID, you touch it, you can change the layout, you can change the brightness. Home to get back to the home screen there. All right, we can go to tune as well. To tune, turn the truck on, turn the truck off, continue. Everybody knows how to tune, so that'll tell you everything you need to go there. Confirm your ECM. It will send your stock file out to the cloud. Pull the tunes you need back. There you go. And this shows you maybe the difference in some of the horsepower settings that you could have. So all of this is an example here. Let me get out of the glare. So just a really good device. I really like this device. We're going to do an install video on this on one of our shop trucks in here and show you how to get it installed into the video, but I think we've pretty well covered all that in this unboxing. Super nice device from SCT. We're very excited about it. If you have a question about this product or any of our other products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our Facebook channel. Thank you.